So this is a LED distance indicator Arduino project, involves using an Arduino microcontroller to measure a distance to an object and display that distance by using these LEDs. This type of project typically employs an ultrasonic sensor to measure a distance and LEDs to indicate the proximity of the object. The components we use in this project are Arduino board, UNO, ultrasonic distance sensor, LEDs of multiple colors we can use. The resistors I used is of 220 ohms, and there are some jumper wires, the breadboard, and this cable is called Arduino cable. So now we are going to set up the circuit. The first step we will do is to connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board. There are 4 pins given to the Arduino board. The one is VCC, which is going to connect to Arduino 5 watt. The second is GND, which is going to connect to Arduino GND. The third pin is triggered pin, which is going to connect at pin 11 of Arduino, and the echo pin is going to connect on pin 12 of Arduino. After that, connect each LED to an Arduino digital pin through our resistors, and then connect the other side of the LEDs to the GND. As I told you that this ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance to an object and display the distance by using these LED lights. So I will show you the working of this project now.